May pang-abot ka? Morning mga kabayan. Another day, another life. Isimba tayo ngayon kasi day off natin. First day off natin ngayon sa bago nating employer, sa bago nating hotel. So pasalamat tayo. Pasalamat tayo kay Lord na binigyan tayo magandang buhay at maayos na trabaho. Napakaaliwalas ng araw ngayon mga kabayan, no? At nagdiriwang tayo ngayon ng linggo ng pagkabuhay. Masaya sa Pilipinas kasi marami silang activities, mga gawain sa church, lahat as in sobrang ganda. So beautiful day. So let's try. Look at the sea. It's very beautiful. This is Kos Island. And the mountain you see, it's Bodrum, Turkey.
Let's go. I wake up to a little bit of drool on my pillow, feel like it's gonna be a bad day. Yeah, I'm tired of shit, and the coffee ain't hit yet, damn, ain't that great. I don't wanna go to work, cause my boss is a jerk, and I'm not even that paid. I need a change in my life, cause I don't feel alive, and there's nothing that makes me happy. Hold my beer for a minute, I'm about to quit my job, cash in for a ticket. I'm going on a trip and I don't plan to visit. I'm gonna stay there till I feel like I'm winning, and this is just the beginning. I need a big change, help me feel like living. I need a big swing, home runs I'm hitting, and I'll never look back, moving on till I get it all. And we all got dreams, we all want things, but what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be? And do you believe you can do anything? But what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be? To fight, to die on, and this is my game to play, to claim a brand new name, and I ain't gonna lie to you, I'm a bit nervous that I might screw everything up that I've ever done, but what's the point of living if you ain't having fun? I guess I'll try this, try that, might miss, gotta find what I'm good at. I guess I look here, look there, over where am I scared, where am I at? I gotta make it in this life, whatever makes me happy, know I'm doing things right. Sipping in the summer on a goose and Sprite, or find a nightclub for the end of the night, And we all got dreams, we all want things, but what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be? And do you believe you can do?
Gusto rin. Kuha ka na. Happy Easter.
Busy? Saan?
Aristo.
Huryo. Aristo. Gumawa kayo nito?
Ano yun? Happy Easter nga.
Ano yung itlog na nilaga o itlog na pula?
Aba. Ay, itlog na pala yan.
Bayan, sa hotel kayo.
Happy Easter.
Bayan, sa hotel kayo.
Happy Easter. May dala ka pang ano, itlog na pula.
Dito lang pala kabayan. Tara na.
Nagtatago eh.
Saan pupunta?
Ano yan? Lagi to nagtatago. Sa video. Guys, mahihain ako. Victor, mahihain din. Pagkatapos magsimba, kakain. Happy Eastern. Kumare, ang mga Nabusog naman kayo.
Hindi.
Yes, sobra. Sobrang nabusog. Sindi.
Man kami. Kabayan.
Diet ka.
Kami kabayan.
Ay, sigurado yan. Hindi pa tapos oh. Grabe.
Dalawa. Yun.
Ito pa isa.
Huh?
Ayan pa isa.
Dalawa.
Yan pa oh. Sige. Sige, ingat. Yeah. Let's go. Ingat. So, yung dating tinuturuan ko ngayon, ano na siya, isang teacher na, ganap na teacher. Salamat. Sige, bigyan mo siya ng motibasyon para matuto. Bigyan mo ng motibasyon. Mababa na talaga yan. Mas inuuna pa ang sigaw bago magpaandar. Yan mga estudyante. Kabayan, teacher ka na. Ayusin mo yung ano, pagtuturo mo dyan para matuto. Paano matututo yan? Talagang ano ka na, improvement ka na, may estudyante ka na. Pinabayaan mo naman yung estudyante mo. Pinabayaan. Pinabayaan yung estudyante. So, nandito tayo sa playground. Nandito tayo sa playground na yan, nakita nyo. Oh, ayun.
Pare-reset ka talaga din. Khaled! Pane, bodrum. Good. Yan yung ano, yung shortcut ni...
Yes. How are you? Yes. How are you?
It's good?
Say hi to Facebook. Hello. Yes. 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 Nag-warm up yung mga kabayan para sa February 14. Kita niyo yun. Turo mo sa akin paano yun. Ano? Yun. Parang iba yan ah. Dontuan po na. Parang iba yan. Medyo nerd yung ano, galaw ah. Tonto eh. Yeah. Kami namin nagkabayan. Nilalaban naman para ayos yung ating day off. Hanggang sa muli mga kabayan. Salamat sa panonood. Bye-bye.